Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagana Channel, a faith healer, also a mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatangan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So, umpisa na natin ang laban guys. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng mga pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Scorpio. There is a Five of Cups. Meron talaga ditong, there's a regret or something, no? May mga bagay na kailangan nyo pag-isipan, no? Bago kayo mag-take ng action para wala kayong regret, no? Or something na kailangan nyong maging matalino sa pagdidesisyon para no more doubt, no more regrets, no? And of course, there is a Six of Pentacles, there's a, pagdating sa finances, nagtutuloy-tuloy na raw, no? Kumbaga, there's a giving and receiving something by the universe. Kumbaga, tulong to ng universe for you na magtutuloy-tuloy na ang finances. At the same time, there's a magician, there's a manifestation, no? So, there's a manifestation na unti-unti nang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, o yung mga hangarin mo, or yung dreams and goals mo, no? At the same time, there's a Queen of Swords. There's a bigger picture of yourself. So, some of you guys, parang nakikita mo na there's an improvement, no? Kumbaga, malayong-malayo ka na sa dating ikaw, no? Kumbaga, may mga pagbabago nang nagaganap sa buhay mo at unti-unti mo na nga na isa sa katuparan. And of course, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition, no? Kumbaga, nakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon, no? Nabago na ang sitwasyon, nabago na ang eksena mo. And of course, there's a Five of Wands. Mag-ingat ka lang. There's a lot of conflicts and of course, competitor, no? Maraming kakompetensya, maraming kalaban. So, what is the Five of Cups? And of course, dapat pinipili mo yung mga kalaban mo dito. Or yung pinaglalaban mo. And of course, there is a Star card. There is a wish fulfillment. No? Unti-unti na may sasakatuparan itong mga bagay na nawala or na sayang or kumbaga na panghinayangan mo tong mga bagay na to na unti-unti nang magkakaroon ng parang ano siya kumbaga wild card, no? Muling pagbabalik na matutupad mo na siya at this time. So, what is the Six of Pentacles? What is the Six of Pentacles? There's a Two of Swords. There's a decision, no? Kailangan mo mag-decision as soon as possible. So, what is the Magician? What is this Magician is all about? There's an Ace of Cups. There's a new romance, no? A new romantic. And so, of course, a new feelings that brings you, kumbaga, fulfillment and happiness. Ganon. The Magician, kumbaga dito ay para mamamanifest mo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Kumbaga ang Scorpio minsan laging sawi, so dito ay bawing-bawi, no? Para ibibigay sa'yo dito ang pag-ibig na what you deserve. And of course, the Star card is an healing, a miracles. So what is the Queen of Swords? Queen of Swords represent the Page of Wands, a good news. May magandang balita daw dito, no? Magandang balita dito na puhang mapapasayo na yung matagal mo nang minaantay. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication, a fast movement. There's an email, messages. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a transition. Ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng pagbabago. Or some of you guys, there's a travel or there's a relocation. So, let's see what is the Five of Wands. Atong conflict na to, and of course, there's a Ten of Swords. See? Ito yung sinasabi na conflict, yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng conflict is yung Ten of Swords, betrayal. And of course, there's a faithful ending. Maaaring natapos na yung mga gumagawa sa'yo ng conflict or kumbaga yung mga kalaban mo. So, let's see what is the outcome for this later. So, get more information about the Five of Cups and the Star card. And of course, there is an Eight of Cups, no? Letting go, no? Kailangan yung mga bagay na nangyaring rejection, and of course, disappointments, or failure, or something, an obstacle. So, kailangan nyo raw yung i-let go, no? Kailangan mo i-let go, and of course, hayaan mong mag-unfold kung mga bagay na para sa'yo. And of course, there's a Star card, there's a healing and happiness. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. There's a Nine of Pentacles, there's a blossoming abundance. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng blossoming abundance, no? Kumbaga mamamayag pag about sa finances, you need to decision na kailangan mo mag-decision dito na kailangan mo maging balance, no? So, what is the Magician and of course, the Ace of Cups? What is the Magician and the Ace of Cups? There's a Three of Swords in reverse. There's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na from that pain, diba? Makaka-recover ka na sa sakit na nakaraan because there's a temperance. There's a perfect timing and divine timing is here. Kumaga, makukuha mo what you deserve. And of course, what is the Six of Swords and the Eight of Wands? And of course, there's a strength card. Ooh, strongest energy. Sinasabi the strength card is, lakasan mo yung loob mo na maging, kumbaga, tibayin mo yung loob mo, maging matapang ka, ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan marunong kang humarap sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. 'Di ba? So, let's see what is the Five of Wands and the Ten of Swords. Kasi minsan, yung fear natin yung nagbibigay sa atin ng obstacle or failure eh. Kumbaga, kailangan labanan mo yan. And of course, there's the word card. So, some of you ha, yung mga traidor ay nasa paligid mo lang. No? Kumbaga, nasa paligid mo lang at nasa surroundings mo lang talaga. And environment. No? You need to do something na kailangan mo protection yung grounds mo. Mag-set ng boundaries para hindi ka na-apektuhan, diba? So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Ten of Cups. There's a happiness. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito at the end of the time. Because there's a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, there's a possibility, there's a success driven. Parating na ang success na nakalaan para sa'yo. Because there's an Emperor. Being a boss. No? Maaaring maging boss ka someday or something na, kumbaga, being a maturity or high standard. Diba? And because there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, unified love. Taray, pasabog! So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebration, no? At the end of the time, ang pinaka-overall, parang sinasabi dito, there's a partnership, celebration, and of course, a being maturity, and of course, happiness is on your way. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. So, about sa Love Oracle card, there's a chaser, no? Kumbaga, dapat ina-abandon, kumbaga, yung fear mo at, yung mga fear and of course, sa worries mo, dapat pinapakawalan mo na yan. Because there's a healing heart, no? Some of you, ha, makakalaya ka na sa toxic family, toxic friends, and of course, the toxicity is around you. And of course, there's a dragonfly, no? Kumbaga, there's a change and heal, no? Kumbaga, makakaligtas at makakalaya ka na sa mga bangungot ng nakaraan. Ganon! So, let's see what is the Moontology. Let's see what is the Moontology. Sinasabi dito guys, there's a, don't let past hold your back. I told you so, di ba? Kailangan mo palayain yung mga nangyari sa nakaraan. Kasi baka magsilbi yung blockages para hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung blessing sa'yo, no? Move on, move on, move on. And of course, sinasabi dito, adjustment are required. Now, kailangan nyo mo rin mag-adjust. Like I said na parang, kailangan mo mag-adjust sa and how to talk, no? Kumbaga, kailangan meron kang limitasyon kung paano ka magbibigay ng information sa ibang tao. Kasi ginagamit yan parang bilang sabotage, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a wait. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo antayin, no? Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. So, let's see what is the chakra. Let's see what is the chakra. There's a release. I told you so. No, kailangan mo i-release to. Yung negativities, toxicities, no? Additional messages. And of course, there's a grip. May mga bagay or pangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi na natin mababalik. There's a disappointment, obstacles, or failures. Kumaga marunong dapat tayo tumanggap ng pagkakamali, no? Even yung mga bagay na hindi na natin maibabalik. And of course, there's a passion. Kumaga gawin mo lang yung mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo at alam mo talagang gusto mo at galing sa puso mo. Nasa puso. Ganon. So, let's see what is the energy. And of course, there's a door to the personal healing and happiness. So, may pintuan talaga para sa kaligayan at kagalingan. Diba? And of course, there's a door to value. So, may pintuan talaga para sa kayamanan. Ito na yung kayamanan. There's a value of dollar. Ano ko sa million keso. Ganun. So, maganda-handa ka na. Parang may inilalahad na sa'yo dito na kailangan mo mag-ready. And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito ni Archangel Raphael, second option, opinion. No? Kailangan mo pangalawang opinion or option sa lahat ng bagay, hindi ka dapat agad-agad naniniwala. No? Hindi ka dapat mapatol sa mga issues. additional messages. And of course, there's an energy healing. So, kailangan mo ng energy healing, no? Some of you, kumbaga, hindi mo to nararanasan, not because of, kumbaga, bakit ganito? Bakit minamalas pa rin ako? Bakit ganito? Bakit puro na negativity ako? Or something na bakit ganito? Puro paghihirap ako? Bakit ang ganda ng cards, di ba? Kasi kailangan mo pang gamutin, di ba? There's a lot of blockages, no? Kumbaga, ginawan ka talaga ng evil or negative energy para malasing ka, sumpa, para 'di ba? Para hindi ka makabangon. And of course, there is a teaching na kailangan mo talagang matutunan at malaman yung mga bagay-bagay. Parang ano yan pag-aaral din yan na kailangan mo matuklasan yung para sa'yo na protection, dito, para mabasag yung mga negativity. And of course, mag-set ng blockage, mag-set ng boundaries, no? And of course, sinasabi na go for it, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong ilaban. And of course, there's a gift, or some of you guys, you are being also gifted, no? Maaring gifted ka rin, or meron kang abilities, no? Na maaaring ipinagkaloob din ng ating angel spirit. And of course, there's a cleansing. I told you. Di ba, kailangan mo ng cleansing, kailangan mo ng healing. Of course, there's a clarity. Di ba, parang ngayon na-clarify na, nalaman mo na you need to do something. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a balance. Kailangan mo rin maging balance And of course, there is an abundance. Wow! Talaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, papuri at kayamanan ay nasa sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang tuklasin at alamin ang nagsisilbing bagahe or bigat ng nararamdaman mo at bigat ng pasanin mo sa buhay, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, the focus upon the perfect health. Some of you may problema sa health issues, no? Additional messages. And of course, make a commitment. No, kailangan mo magkaroon ng commitment or kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-focus sa isang bagay na makakapag-serve sa'yo. No? Yung makakatulong talaga sa'yo. At the same time, you're on the right path. Napanood mo tong video na to kasi nasa tamang direction ka, no? Kumbaga, nagtataka ka bakit ang ganda ng pasok ng Scorpio, bakit ang ganda ng nababasa, tapos sa'yo hindi. That because of may mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ayusin sa'yo. No, bago mo makamtan to. Kasi nangyari na rin, napagdaanan na rin ng other Scorpio yan, yung mga naranasan mo. No? So, let's see what is a Jesus-loving quotes. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, forgive and shall be forgiven, no? Bitawan mo, pakawalan mo yung bigat na nararamdaman mo, no? Kumaga, kailangan mo magpatawad kahit na wala ka namang ginawang kasalanan, wala namang, kumaga, hindi mo alam kung may ginawa silang kasalanan sa'yo. Kumaga, kailangan mong patawarin at bigyan mo ng, kumaga, kalinisan ng kaisipan ng pati ang puso mo, no? Para magsilbing freedom, kalayaan, no? Para sa mga bagay na pumasok yung mga positive or makapag-attract ka ng mga good energy. And of course, there's an 8. I am successful. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng successful dito. No? Sinasabi ng angel's number, your talent for settings and reaching goals is like no other. You are self-sufficiency and capable of achieving your ambitions. Representing the EBB and flow, the infinite loop of creation. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na hayaan mong dumaloy, no, sa sariling mga, literally and of course, ng naturally, no? Hayaan mo siyang dumaloy. May mga bagay na kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries nang sa gano'n na hindi ka napapasukan ng mga negativities. And of course, kailangan mo mag-cleansing to clarify and to cleanse the negativity, and also kailangan mo talagang gamutin by black magic if you have a black magic involved, no? Kasi yung sumpa na yan or kamalasan na nasa sayo ay hindi siya, kumbaga, mawawala nang hindi ka ginagamot, no? Let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life is an hope, no? There's an hope. Kaya pala may star card dito. Lumabas ang star card and the hope is here, no? Talagang may pag-asa talaga, no? As I enter the great school of life, I hold tight of my faith in God. God loves, guides me, and guards me in every situation I encounter, regardless of what I confront. I trust in the truth nature today. I welcome life as I know that light will always return and there will always be infinite possibilities for me. Ibig sabihin dito, lahat ng posibilidad na alam mo makakabuti sa'yo at alam mo may pag-asa at mayroon pang tagumpay na nakalaan para sa'yo. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang siyang i-surrender kay God lahat ng bigat at pasanin na pinagdadaanan mo, no? Kailangan mo lang humingi ng gabay, proteksyon at pangangalaga nang sa ganun magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang bukas na nakalaan para sa'yo. So guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kulin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta at pagsubaybay, no? At Diyos na ang bahala magbalik sa inyo ng magandang kalooban nyo. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil maraming pang mga pasabog sa mga susunod na reading natin. So, maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!